a new things about English language. My dear friends, you know well that we are listening everywhere the importance of English language. But mainly we don't know how to learn English language. First of all, we know that we live in Hindi atmosphere and Bagheli language atmosphere. We learn easily, we see everyone to speak Hindi and Bagheli language. But we think that how we can learn English? What is the source behind of it to learn English language? I am going to tell you. My dear friend, make a atmosphere, not at home, but where you study. Try to talk in English language. Don't think what I am speaking right or wrong. Just think it that I am speaking right. When you will think inside, yes, I am speaking right, then at the right time, at the future time, you will speak correct English. When you will start correct English language, then definitely you will come to speak fast. Fluency will come. Understood? So, now, what is the first process to learn English language? Read the newspaper. Daily new words come. When you will study about accident, then briefly will be described on the newspaper about accident. What is the new words? You will search it out. You will understand that. Then you will create some new things. You will create some new things. Really, believe me. What do you think? What do you think? Yes, you are thinking this, that yes, I can create some things.
Loud.
Okay. So, read newspapers and then come in front of mirror. Just talk about accident. Yes, accident happened. How it happened? What was the reason? And whose accident happened? Name found. Each and everything you can find out. About cricket, read the cricket and come towards the mirror. Just talk about what you read in the newspaper. No, if you are not interested about cricket, newspapers, all of the things, must study at the home before teaching of the teachers at the school. First study at the home, then after go to school. When the teacher will describe or describe about the subjects, then easily you can understand. Then you will be able to know the subject, chapter, name, everything. You will be able to give out the answer about the questions. If the questions is in book, then you can give easily. But if the question arises by self, then you will be able also to also about answers, to give the answers, to provide the answers. Understood? Understood? So, if you read, then after when you will come back to home, then be fresh, then go towards again mirror. Yes, I studied about atmosphere. Atmosphere, about teacher told us about atmosphere, how about the atmosphere there are air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. If the atmosphere about anything told environment, then you will tell and then you can learn. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Clap to all. Yeah.